Hey everyone, looking to dive into the world of virtual reality and save some cash? Let's talk about how you can score discounts with Oculus promo codes. Head over to any trusted website for promo codes like CouponFollow or coupons.com. Search for Oculus promo codes to find the latest deals. Look for active codes offering discounts on Oculus headsets, accessories, or games. Popular ones might include savings like Oculus 20 for $20 off or free shipping on select items. Once you have added your items to the cart on the Oculus website, enter the promo code at checkout to see your savings instantly applied. Always double check the expiration date of the code and ensure it applies to your purchase. If one code doesn't work, try another trusted source for more options. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more money saving tips.